Hey all, hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will do another requested tutorial for doing hair rendering in a very simple manner, but here you can see the end result. So stay with me for the rest of the video as I tell you all the tips and tricks and the approach for doing your hair to bring out that nice shine and a very glossy look in your hair. Now guys, in this video I will show you the hair rendering in a bigger scale. Like here you can see the kind of measurement, approx it's around 2.5 inch and I've done it freehand only. So you can take any measurement of your choice and practice it. It's like you can do it in a bigger scale first, and once you're comfortable and you're learning the strokes, then you can move to your croquis where you take approx like 1 inch and do the technique over there. But yes, initially you can practice in the bigger scale and focus on the techniques of rendering the hair curls especially. So while drawing your curls, you can make like this segments, and we are going to color all the segments separately because these are like loose curls. You can do the similar in retro curls, wavy curls. So there are lots of ways you can do the curls in your hairstyle and bring some more depth in the hair styles, like adding something like stylization. So we will talk about all these hairstyles in our upcoming videos. So do let me know guys what other kind of hairstyles or hair colors you would like to see in this playlist where we can discuss one particular hair color or hairstyle. So guys, here you can see our base is ready. I'm using the kneadable eraser to pick any excess dust from the pencil, and to keep the base clean we should not have too much of the depth of the pencil stroke, so we will try to use very soft pencil lines to draw the shape of the hairstyles. So now talking about the base color, you can use any medium like watercolors or alcohol markers, and here I'm going with this watercolor black shade. I have diluted the color. You can see it's looking very light. It's giving something like a grayish shade effect. So you can definitely use your watercolor, just dilute the color and put it and let it rest and let it dry 100%. So now comes the interesting thing of doing the hair strokes. The first most important thing you have to take care of is the pencil, and keep your pencil very sharp guys to get that nice fine stroke of the hair, because our hair is very fine, very thin, so we need to bring out that look of the hair. So try to use as much as possible a very sharpened pencil, and see how I'm giving the strokes. Always start from the root and follow the direction of the hair, in which way the hair is going. You have to give the strokes in that direction and follow that little curve manner of the hair to bring out that nice fluffy look. So guys, here you can see the portion which is going outward is a portion which will catch light and it will give that shiny effect. So here we will give the effect by giving this kind of strokes, and you can see that zigzag manner of the shine. So guys, keep on watching this as you will understand how we can bring out that shine by giving this kind of strokes, which will start from both the corners, both the sides and the center. Like the portion which is outward will have that reflective shine on it. Also the shine portion, it should be in like a zigzag manner, not something like a block of colors. So while you are giving the strokes guys, some lines can be little longer, some can be little shorter, so that you get that very natural effect of the hair. So I think by now you all understood that how we will maintain the shine. The part which is bulging outward will have that reflection, I mean that reflective part, and there we will try to show that shiny portion. So guys, here you can see I have done one portion of the hair, that is something like one curl you can call it. And while I'll go to the second curl or the side curl, what I'll do is leave little gap. I think you all can see that little white portion or that white line which I've left in between, so that will bring out a division between your curls and it won't look like very much more like a solid portion. It will give that nice flow to the hair. So this way you can outline the hair curls first and then you can shade inside. So again, for the shading you can do the same technique once again of the inward and the outward shading. And again, before going to the next section of the hair guys, I will outline it one more time, leaving that little tiny space. Now this space should not be too big, otherwise that will again look very unnatural. So again, try to use a very sharpened pencil to give a very fine line and leave a very tiny amount of portion in between, which can just give that small division between your hair curls. I hope guys you find the technique useful, and it's very beneficial for beginners as well to practice the strokes and to get the nice flow of your hands, because the more you practice with your pencil colors and just simply drawing the base will make your hand very flexible, because the more you do, the more your hands get flexible with the strokes. So do practice your hairstyles, and especially this kind of curl effect. You don't need to do like a full figure or full face. You can always practice into smaller sections, like one day you sit and do only some hairstyles, the other day maybe you are practicing just small fabric swatches. So definitely try this out, and you can upload your works on Instagram and tag me and use the hashtag artstudio.srabani so that I can find your works under the hashtag. So guys, in this manner I will complete the curls on this side also, and I think you can make it more easy if you first outline all the sections of the curls. So in this way you will know your sections, and then you can take your time to fill in the shading in each individual sections and taking care of the inward and outward motion. So I will finish this, and after that I will tell you some more other things which you can put on this one to enhance its look even more. Lastly, after you are done with the coloring in the inner portion, you can take your pencil and darken it even further using your black pencil as well, and you can draw some loose curls around the sides just like this. And even here you can use a different color pencil guys. I'm going with a brown shade, but I will not color it much, just I will show you that if you want to add some brown highlights, so in this manner you can shade it around the shiny portion and even draw some loose hairs either with the black pencil, that is the original hair color, or you can bring it one shade below using any other pencil like a brown shade. So up to you guys, you can do your manipulation in this manner using lots of different color options and showing that nice highlighted look like a very light shade of the hairstyle. Another interesting thing which you can use here is charcoal, and this is a charcoal stick, and to blend it I will use this handmade stump. You can use your fingers also or tissue paper also, or directly you can use charcoal pencils guys. So here I will just put it over the area where I want extreme darkness. Now the thing with charcoal is it's 100% matte, so you will not get a very shiny effect just like how you do with a pencil, because pencil are waxed based, so it will give you a little shine which you can see here. It's not like very extremely dark, but charcoal will take it to a next level and will increase that darkness. But here guys, I will not make it very dark, so I will not use the charcoal in a very crazy manner, just little bit of the charcoal strokes, and then I'm blending it with this blending stamp. And you can also erase your charcoal powder with your eraser itself. So in this way you can take it to a next level by using a charcoal, because it's a matte effect, and it will give you a very nice and dark look for your hair, especially for your black color hair. So it's not necessary that you have to use this, it's just something like an optional, if you want, you can definitely use it. I'm just showing you all the techniques, all the mediums which you can use to enhance your look. And at last, you can also create that little hazy effect of the hair, that little blurry effect of the hair, and do this with your blending stamp at the corners of the hair. So that's it for this video, guys. Do subscribe if you are new to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my upcoming upload. You can go and watch out the other videos, and don't forget to check the playlist as well. I shall see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.